Thanks to Chabangu, close ally and Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume could face jail term after local government minister Daniel Garwe recommended prosecution of city officials implicated in corruption and poor governance following the inclusion of a year-long commission of inquiry into the affairs of the Harare City Council. Salavena mashwarudanya kwa panapa means Mafume faces prison is Harare Commission of Inquiry concludes not to subscribe or like on the bell. The commission, chaired by retired High Court Judge Justice Mafios Cheda, submitted its final report to President Mnangagwa at State House on Tuesday. The inquiry was initiated by the President in 2023 to investigate suspected financial mismanagement, corruption, and service delivery failures within Zimbabwe's capital city. The commission's findings painted a grim picture of systemic rot at Townhouse. It exposed widespread corruption, abuse of office, and lavish spending by officials under Mafume's leadership, despite the council routinely citing a lack of funds to justify failure to deliver basic services to residents. In quotes, Harare City Council is decayed to the core, Garwe said following the handover of the report. That is why the president established the Commission of Inquiry to investigate the severe governance failures in our urban local authorities. Harare is the worst, followed by Bulawayo. He said the commission uncovered shocking levels of extravagance, with the top city officials awarding themselves hefty perks and allowances, while ordinary citizens grappled with unsafe drinking water, garbage piles, and deteriorating roads. Garo indicated that if the commission's report provides evidence of criminal conduct, including financial impropriate and implicated officials, Mayor Mafume included, could face arrest and prosecution. The report is expected to trigger a major clean-up of the city's governance structures, one reviewed by the president. Mafume, as the sitting mayor, remains politically and administratively accountable for the state of the affairs at Harare City Council. His future now hangs on the decision President Mnangagwa will take after reviewing the findings and recommendation of the Commission of Inquiry. Thomas Warubuda panguwa ina zvinzi ayo Mafume panguwa yakaoma. Pinda comment section medu muzvafunguro enyu motikudipa mzoro pechitiko ichi. Amsana subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.